How's it going, guys? UottawaScotty here. If you've been watching my channel for the last couple of weeks, you would have seen the drama happening with trying to get my exhaust manifold bolts off of my P30 motorhome. The latest approach is with this Bernzomatic Tote Torch kit. This is model OX-2500. I purchased it used off Facebook Marketplace for $35. This does have a sticker on the box that says $59.99 from Canadian Tire. So my best guess is that this torch is roughly 25 years old. I think it was sometime in the 80s that this torch was sold. What you're looking at here is essentially the poor man's oxyacetylene setup. It comes with the torch, 2 bottles, a stand, a striker, and a few little aluminum and bronze brazing rods. It says that you can weld with this torch. I'm not sure how realistic that is. The manual is a pretty good read. Lots of great information in there. Through reading the manual, it's quickly apparent that this is a consumer grade product. And it says that specifically on the box. There's no real false advertising. As a matter of fact, when you read the manual, a good portion of the manual is spent explaining how quickly the oxygen runs out on this setup. And if you read reviews online, you're going to come across a lot of complaints with respect to the quickness that the oxygen runs out. So in the manual, it says that the oxygen should last for 10 to 20 minutes. I've heard different reports as to how long. I've heard one person on a review said that the oxygen only lasts 5 minutes. So clearly this is a do-it-yourselfer, poor man's oxyacetylene setup, but we're going to see how well this thing performs. So one of the reasons for that is, of course, the MAP gas is in liquid form, and for whatever reason, the gas in the oxygen bottle cannot be kept in liquid form. So it's actually a compressed gas in the oxygen bottle, which is why you can't fit a whole lot in that. We're gonna get this thing going, and we're gonna see how well she works and see if we can get my exhaust manifold bolts off with this thing. So anyway, stick around, and we're gonna light this thing up. It's my first time hooking this up. So bottles are opposite threads, so that's that. Which way? Right, so this threading on the, let's make sure that's off. Threading on the oxygen is actually a reverse thread. Okay, so looks like we're ready to rock and roll here. I'm gonna grab a fire extinguisher, and just in case, here's. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh. I think the oxygen here I think the oxygen valve doesn't seem to be working properly. I think I'm gonna take this outside. It seems a little dangerous, so let's do that. Okay, so just kind of loosen this this valve here a bit. Oh boy. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's looking like a nice flame. Definitely a little sketchy. Sorry for the, you probably hear in the background there's a dog. Sounds like he's in distress. I've already called the police about it, and they're on their way. So, yeah, so I do apologize for that, but that seems to be working pretty well. It was just this this valve here was a bit sticky, and so I unstuck that. But yeah, it seems to work pretty good. Now, the oxygen's gonna run out pretty quickly, so I'm gonna get the vise out here and test it on a bolt, and we'll see how quickly it heats a bolt up. Okay, turn the oxygen up. Taking my time because, see, it's windy. It's windy. Come on. Ah. Damn it. Wind blew it out. It's pretty windy. I wonder if I should take this inside. Probably be safer if I did this inside, maybe. Less wind. Okay, I'm actually going to take this inside. Gee, that's different. Let's see, get the oxygen going. This oxygen valve doesn't seem to be working very well. There we go. Starting to come in now, I think. There we go. I just kind of changed the flame back to the matte gas. Let's bring this up. There we go. Well, that looks like it works. I've got managed to get the bolt red hot. I don't want to heat it up to. Let's do the heat test here. Oh, that's pretty hot. It's gonna be kind of a challenge though to use that in the wheel well of my RV. So yeah, I don't know. Seems to work though. Okay, so this does work. Now I was heating that bolt up. I managed to get the bolt head red hot and put some good heat into that bolt. The only thing is that this setup is actually pretty sketchy, I think. And I know that I probably used half the bottle of this oxygen just heating this one bolt up, but we'll see how many bolts that I can do with this. So goddamn that dog, eh? Hopefully the police get there soon. It's the dog's fine. It's got lots of food and water. They just it's been neglected, and hopefully the dog can go to a happier home. Yeah.